Hi guys, so welcome back to the second video, and let's quickly get started. So this second question is based on okay. So the second question is based on the sales thing. So sales term. So this is the thing. So let's firstly read the question. A firm sales term is 1 by 15 net 45. It has no cash sales, 10% of sales default, and the remaining 90% may or may not take the discount half and half. If monthly sales in the first quarter is 500 crores, then find out the total cash flow that would lead to the last month of the quarter. Okay, so this might seem complicated. So I'll just explain what the terms mean and what the entire sales period and credit period, discount period is, and then I'll move to the solution. So I'll put a timestamp, and so if you understand the question, you can directly go to that. Okay, so firstly, what is this 1 by 15 net 45? That is important to understand. So essentially what this says is that I will give you 1% discount if you pay within 15 days, and the net credit period is 45 days. So basically, let's take a timeline from 1 to 45. If I pay today, I have to pay 100. I purchase something worth rupees 100 today, but I have um, the store gives me a credit of 45 days. So I purchase rupees 100 goods worth rupees 100. I have to pay them within 45 days, rupees 100 within 45 days. It is a credit period. So this is where the money goes. That made the icon of the dollar bill. So here is where the money outflow goes. Now it says that if you pay within 15 days, I will give you 1% discount. That means if you pay within 15 days, then you have to pay 99 rupees. So instead of 100, you have to pay 99 rupees. So this is the essential what the term means. Sales 1 by 15 net 45. Okay. Now what implication does it have? So that has to be explained in 3 steps. So this is what I'll explain. So this is the implication of that credit period. So firstly, there are 3 kinds of things that happen. Firstly, if it is a bad debt, then that money will not be recovered. Bad debt means that that person will not give you money, so you will not recover anything. So that is 0. Now, if you sell anything in cash, then the entire money will be received in the same month. So whichever month you're selling, the entire money will be received in that month. If you are discount selling, so if the person gives you back the money within the discount period, which is 15 days, then whichever sales, so that person pays you money within 15 days. So the money that the sale that you did on first will be received on 16th. Second will be received on 17th plus 15 days. Okay? I'm assuming 15 days. So sales between 1st and 14th. So 14th, whoever is paying on the 14th will give you the money till the 30th. Okay. But whoever pays you on the 15th, so whoever purchases on 15th will give you on the next day. So instead of I think 14, it should be like the first 15 days, the money will be received within that month only, within 15 days. The next sale between 15th and 31st, that will be received. So I'll just change this one second. One second. So what this question says is that any sale between the 1st and 15th will be realized. So first, the sales on the 1st will be realized on 16th. The sale of the 15th will be realized on 30th. So it's realized within that month only. Any sale that is beyond 15th, so from 16th, 30th, the sale you make on 16th will be realized on 31st date, which is on the first day of the next month. The sale you do on the 30th of the month, last day of the month, will be realized on the 46th day, which is the 16th of the next month. I hope this part is clear. So basically, 15 days, the sales for the first 15 days of the month is realized in that month, and the remaining 15 days is realized in month 2. So that's how you calculate 15 by 30 is equal to half, and 15 by 30 is equal to half. 1 second. Yeah, now that's the discount sale. Now for the credit sale, so this is for those people that are paying the money back within the discount period. So if obviously they don't pay the money within that period, I'm assuming that they pay the money at the end of 45 days. So sales between 1 and 15. So first 15 days, if you make any sale, the first day's money will be received after 45 days. So that's 15th of the next month. The sale that you do on the 15th day will be received on 60th, which is the last day of the next month. So in that month, you're not receiving anything. So for the sales between 1st and 15th, you're not receiving anything in month 1. You're receiving that money in month 2. So here 1 to 15 realized 45 days, realized in 45 to 60 days. So that's 15 days in this month. The sales that is between 16th and 30th, that will be realized on the in the third month. So 16 plus 45 is 61, and 30th plus 45 is 75, which is again here. So 75, imagine what 61 is. 61 means the first day of the third month. Okay, first is 30 days, 30 days, 1 to 30, 31 to 60, and 60 to 61 to 75. So 61 to 90. So here 61 is this one's 15 by 30 equal to 1 by 2. I hope the concept is clear, that sales between 1st and 15th is received within first 15 days of the next month, and the sales between 16 and 30th is received in the first 15 days of the month 3. Okay, so that's why it's 15 by 30 here and 15 by 30 here. Now I'll take another example to explain. Okay, we don't look at a cheat code right now. Just write this right now. Okay. So what essentially this does is, let's say a sales term of 5 by 20 net 45. Now think for a moment what this means. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute, just think about it. 5 by 20 net 45, what does that mean? So basically it means that 5% discount if you pay within 20 days, but the net credit period is 45 days. So if I pay the money today, cash sale, I will receive the entire money in full. If there is a discount sale, so he'll pay me within, if he pays within 20 days, then I give him discount. And if he pays within 20 days, so for the first to the 10th of the month, so first whoever purchases on first will pay on the 21st. Whoever purchases on the 10th will pay on the 30th. Okay, so within the first and the 10th is actually what is realized in the first month. Beyond that, it's realized in the next month. So 1st to 10th is realized in month 1. 11th to 30th is realized in month 2. Okay. Now for the non-discount period, sales between 1st and 15th, again it's 45 days. So whatever I sell today will receive on a 45 day, and whatever I sell on 15th day will be received in 60 days. So it's month 2 is 15 by 30. So it's 15 days a sale in month 2, and the remaining 15 days a sale in month 3. So it's half year, half year. Okay, and here it's 1/3 and 2/3. Now I tried to make a cheat code. Again, this is not official, it's not something official, so don't write this in the exam. Just note it down somewhere, and just you can use this for reference, but don't write this because this is not an accepted formula. This is just a jugaad wala formula that I made up. Okay, but hopefully this will help. So what this says is, whatever this is, 5 by 20 net 45, take that. So take this 20 part. For the discount sale, take this 20 part, 30 minus this part. So 30 minus 20 by 30 is what you'll get in the first month, and whatever is the x, so 20 remaining part, 20 by 30, 2 by 3. So first one is 30 minus x, so 30 minus 20 is by 30, that is 10 by 30, and this one will be 20 by 30, which is 2 by 3. Again, similarly, if this was 2 by 10 net 60, then I would take this 10 and 30 minus 10 is 20 by 30 here, and 10 by 30 is 1 by 3. So the first month 2/3 will be realized, second month 1/3 will be realized. Again, for this non-discount period, I will use this value 45. So 45 is greater than 30. So in first month, nothing will be realized. In the second month, it will be 60 minus x. So 60 minus 45. So 60 minus 45 by 30, which is 15 minus 30, which is 1, which is half. And whatever is the balance remaining will be realized in the next month. Okay. So that's how you calculate this. Now, what if it's net 60? So 60 minus 60 is 0 by 30. So nothing will be realized here. And the balance, which is full, will be realized in the next one. Okay. Hopefully, like you understand the concept through the previous sums. But for the exam, you can use this. If it's more than 60, just do 90 minus x by 30. So if it's like 75, so it will be 90 minus x by 30. Okay. Because this is 45, it's 60 minus 30. If this was again 25, you would have used 30 minus x. I hope this part is like, I don't think those kind of variables will be given. Try and use this cheat code thing in the exam to quickly find out the ratios, but I have tried to explain this entire calculation, how it is calculated. You can also refer to the PPT that's shared, and from there you can get an idea. Okay, now let's move on to the question. So here the question, again I'll read the question. It says that the firm's sales term is 1 by 15 net 45, which is 1% discount if you pay within 15 days, and the net period is 45 days. It has no cash sales, 10% of discount, 10% of sales default, and remaining 90% may or may not take the discount. Monthly sales is 500 crores. So find the total cash flow that would lead in the last month of a quarter. So my sale is 500 crores. Okay. Cash sale, it has said it has no cash sale. So there is no cash sale. So cash sale is 0. So the entire sum is credit sale. So this minus credit sale. If there was a cash sale, let's say 10% cash sale was there, I would have taken equal to this into 10%. So 50 would be cash sale. Whatever would be my cash sale, the entire money would be received, and that entire money would be received in month 1 if there was cash sale. Here there is no cash sale. So my cash sale is 0. So this is also 0. Again, so my entire, nothing is cash sale. Then it says 10% of the sales default. So my bad debt is 10%, equal to this into 10, equal to this into 10%, which is 50. So this minus this is 450. Now this is the entire sales that I have been able to do, which is money which will be realized. 50, nothing will be realized in any part of the period because it's a bad debt. Now it says 10% of sales default and the remaining 90%. So this is the remaining 90%. The remaining is 90%. Out of that, 50% take the discount sales. 50% take the discount sales. So 50% is this into 50%. And again, this is equal to this into 50%. So 50% of my consumers, they take discount, and remaining 50% don't opt for the discount. Now, if they go for the discount, I will give them 1% discount. So 1 by 15 net 45. So I'll give them amount to be received is 99%. So 99% of this is 227. Sorry, 222.75. And the remaining people have to pay 100%, obviously, because they're not paying within time. So it would be equal to this into 100%. This. Okay. So this is my entire sum that I would receive. Now, this is my entire, out of the 500 crores that I sold, I would get 447.75 crores as the realized sale. Now the issue is they have asked us that how much of this money will be received in the last month of the quarter. Now for this you need this balance of how much money is being paid in which term. So that is very important. So to calculate this, I have shown it previously. If you skip the part, just go and watch that part. You'll get to know how this is calculated. So you remember the cheat code? It was 30 minus x by 30 for the discounted part. So 30 minus x is 15 over here. 30 minus x, so 30 minus 15 by 30. So 15 by 30 is half. So this into half would be received in month 1. And again, this into half would be received in month 2. Non-discount sales, what was the formula? 60 minus x by 30. Here x is 45. So 60 minus 45 is 15 by 30, which is equal to this into 15 by 30 and equal to this into 15 by 30. If you've understood that calculation, this becomes very easy. Now all you have to do is just add this up. So you see, in the first month you will get 111.38, next month you'll get 223.88, and the last month you'll get 112.50. Okay, I'll just tweak this sum a little bit and make this, change this. So this is the solution, but just I'm tweaking the sales term to make it 2%. Sales term is 10 and net 50. So if its sale term is 2% discount if you pay within 10 days and net 50 days, what would be this? So this would become 10, this would become 50. My x changes to 10. So 30 minus 10 is 20 by 30. Balance would be 10 by 30. And non-discount sales would be 60 minus this, again 10 by 30, and this would be 20 by 30. Okay. 60 minus 50 by 30. Okay. So again, this variable would change. What would be the variable? Equal to this into 20 by 30. And this would be equal to this into 10 by 30. This would be 10 by 30. This would be 20 by 30. Got it? So this would be the classification if that would be the credit term. So I hope this part is clear. If required, go back and watch that part in the initial phase, and maybe you want to revise that before the exam again. So I hope this makes it clear. I'll just move back to the original solution so that that gets saved for you when I share the PPT. I mean the Excel. Okay. So that concludes the second concept, which is sales term. Now I'll move to the source of and user fund and working capital cycle and EOQ. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, stay live.